Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are good at your places. I'm Kanchan Kanpal, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start that is chapter number 8, tens and ones.
Bengal throw. So this is a game. Karma and Geser are playing a Bengal game. Karma has thrown the Bengal on the dots. Now Karma and Geser, they are boys. What they are doing? They are playing Bengal game. Bengal game खेल रहे हैं जिसमें डॉट्स के ऊपर बेंगल्स को आपको थ्रो करना है. Each big red dot is equal to 10 points. अगर आपने ये एक रेड डॉट के ऊपर अगर बेंगल डाला तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव गॉट 10 पॉइंट्स. आपको 10 पॉइंट्स मिल गए हैं. सो ईच स्मॉल ग्रीन डॉट इज इक्वल टू 1 पॉइंट. ग्रीन डॉट 1 पॉइंट एंड रेड डॉट 10 पॉइंट्स. ओके, द डॉट्स इनसाइड द बेंगल आर, नाउ वी विल सी बेंगल के अंदर कितने डॉट्स है. हाउ मेनी, फर्स्ट वी विल सी हाउ मेनी रेड डॉट्स आर देयर. 1 2 3 4 and as I told you, one red dot means 10 numbers, 10 points you will get. So 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40. 4 नंबर है, 4 डॉट्स है रेड, तो 40 हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ ग्रीन, हाउ मेनी ग्रीन डॉट्स आर देयर. 1 2 3 4. 4 green dots are there. 1 green dot means 1 number. So ये 1 1 1 1. So how many? 1 2 3 4 green dots. You have got 4 number. And red dots, red dot means 10 10 10 and 10. 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 and 41, 42, 43, 44. So Karma has got 44 points. How many points he has got? 44 points. They throw the bengal twice each. एक जने को 2 बार बेंगल थ्रो करने का टाइम मिलेगा. Here are their points. Now they have got these points. Karma has got 44 and 16. In first round he has got 44 and second round he has got 16. And Geser, he got 13 in first round and 32 in second round. Now who is the winner? Who has scored more? Who has scored more? किसने ज्यादा स्कोर किया है? Karma. Who is the winner here? Karma. You can play this game with your friend using the board above. Now this is the board. You can play game yourself. आप अपने आप इस गेम को खेल सकते हैं and you can enjoy it. Again I will tell you that 1 dot means 10 points. अगर आप 1 red dot पे बेंगल डालते हैं तो you will get 10 points and green dot means 1 point. Okay. So this is the chart where you can play your game. You can write your points, your friends' points, then you will decide the winner. Okay. The flute man and the rats. The flute man, flute means होता है बांसुरी. Okay. This is the story of a flute man and the rats. I want someone to catch the rats in a basket. For each rat you get 1 gold coin. Now he is a king. He said that I want someone to catch the rats. Now he is fed up with the rats in his kingdom. उसके kingdom में बहुत सारे rats आ गए थे, वो बहुत परेशान हो गया था. So he said I want someone to catch the rats in basket. मुझे कोई ऐसा चाहिए जो इस टोकरी के अंदर rats को बंद कर दे. ओके, एंड फॉर ईच रैट मीन्स एक रैट के बदले में वो क्या देगा? 1 गोल्ड कॉइन. ओके, फॉर ईच रैट ही विल गेट 1 गोल्ड कॉइन. एक रैट के बदले में उसको क्या मिलेगा? 1 गोल्ड कॉइन मिलेगा. ओके, सो आई विल डू इट व्हाट with a flute. So here you can see the picture. This flute man, what he is doing, he is blowing the flute. वो बांसुरी बजाता है, उसके पीछे क्या आ जाते हैं? सब rats आ जाते हैं. Now my reward, sir, I have collected 80 rats. Now he said, sir, where is my reward? मेरा इनाम कहाँ है? Reward means इनाम. Reward means इनाम. When you do something good, you get reward. आप भी जब कुछ अच्छा करते हैं तो आपको reward मिलता है. So I have collected 80 rats. मैंने कितने rats कलेक्ट किए? 80 rats I have collected. But how did you count so many rats? But तुमने ये count कैसे किए इतने सारे rats? Now see, simple. I use these cards. What he said? It is very simple. I have used this card. I counted one rat and kept one card in my pocket. He said, as soon as I got one rat, मैंने जैसे ही एक rat को पकड़ा और उसका मैंने एक point या एक कार्ड अपनी पॉकेट में डाल लिया. ओके, फॉर वन रैट वन कार्ड. ओके, वन रैट one card. So here two cards for two rats. If he is having two cards in his pocket, that means two rats he has caught. Means उसने दो rats पकड़े हैं. Now for how many rats? Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 cards is for 6 rats. 6 कार्ड हैं तो मीन्स क्या हुआ कि 6 rats उसने पकड़े हैं. When I had 10 cards, I changed it with this card 10 in my pocket. जब उसके 10 कार्ड्स कंप्लीट हो जाते थे तो वो क्या करता था? 1 कार्ड्स को हटा के वो 10 कार्ड्स को में चेंज कर लेता था. मीन्स 1 कार्ड्स को वो थ्रो करके 10 कार्ड को वो अपनी पॉकेट में रख लेता था. ओके, देन केम 7 more rats. Then again 7 more rats came. I then had in my pocket. Now how many cards now he will have? पहले उसके पास 10 थे. Then 7 more. 10 plus 7. 10 cards, 10 rats he is already having in his basket. Now 7 more he has caught. Again 7 more he has caught. उसने 7 और पकड़ लिए. So 10 plus 7. 17. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 rats. This is the score of 17 rats. 1 10 card and 1 7 cards. Okay, now which card will he have in his pocket if he has counted up to? Okay, now first is done for you. Second I will do for you. The rest of the questions you will do yourself. First 23. So 20, as I said 20. So 10 के 2 cards and 3 is there. So 1 के 3 cards. Here 47. 40 है तो 10 के कितने cards होंगे? 4 it is written. 10 प्लेस पे 4 लिखा है तो 10 के कितने कार्ड होंगे? 4. 10 10 10 10. ओके, एंड इन वंस प्लेस 7 इज रिटन तो 1 के कितने कॉइन होंगे? 1 के कितने कार्ड होंगे? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 1 card. Okay, you have to see the number. आपको सिर्फ वंस और टेंस प्लेस के नंबर्स देखने हैं. वंस प्लेस पे 7 थे तो हम 1 के 7 कॉइन लेंगे एंड टेंस प्लेस पे कितने थे? 4 थे तो इसलिए हमने 10 के 4 कार्ड्स लिए हैं. गॉट इट? लाइक 55 तो आप 10 के कितने कार्ड्स लेंगे? 5. के कितने कार्ड लेंगे? 5. 63 सो 6 के कितने कार्ड लेंगे? 63. सो 10 के कितने कार्ड होंगे यहाँ पे? दिस इज टेंस, दिस इज वंस. सो 10 के आपके 6 कार्ड होंगे और 1 के आपके 3 कार्ड होंगे. सेम हेयर ऑल्सो. 72 means 7. 70 means 7 tens card and 1 2 card. 1 के आपको 2 cards लेने हैं और 7 के enjoy your rats. Now after when he come to know that king cheated him, जब उसको पता चला कि किंग ने उसको चीट किया है, he has not given the enough money which he has promised. So what he has done, he has opened his basket, उसने अपनी टोकरी खोल दी and all the rats ran away. और सारे rats क्या हो गए, टोकरी से निकल के भाग गए. Then clean school day. Now we have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students. Now today is the day, clean school day. So instead of doing clean school day, because nowadays we cannot go to school, so what you can do, you can clean your house day. So you can celebrate clean house day. So we have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students. Now they are celebrating clean school day. So for cleaning the school, they are making a team of 10 students. Means एक team में 10 students होंगे. Okay. Our team will clean the best. So they have divided the team in 10 students. In each group 10 students are there. So they are saying that our team is the best, our team will do the cleaning properly. Okay, here we go. Rub and scrub. Rub and scrub. Now the numbers of students in all the classes are, now in class 1 53 students, class 2 42 students, class 3 35 students, class 4 54 students, and class 5 26 students. Now how many teams and students left? Now what you have to do, how many teams will there be in each class? अब each class में, एक class में कितनी teams होंगी? How many students will be left? और कितने बच्चे बच जाएंगे? First we will see class 1. Class 1 में कितने बच्चे थे? 53. And each group is having 10 students. Each group में, one group में कितने students है? 10 students है. Okay. So 53. 50 means in one group 10 students are there na? 10, 50. He is saying 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So 50 here. 53. In class 1 53 students are there. 50 के 10 के 5 groups बने. Now how many students are there? How many students are there? 3. Okay, 50 तो हमने कर लिए. 50 they have divided themselves in teams. Teams में divide हो गए. But how many are left? 3. Okay. Now next we will see 42. So 40 में 10, 20, 30, 40. The number was 42. So how many students are left? 2. Okay. Now class 3, how many students are there? 35. So 35 means 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 30. 10, 20, 30. So 30, what was the number? 35. And 5 students are left because we are making the group of 10 students. हम 10 students का group बना रहे हैं. Okay. Then class 4, we will see the students in class 4, 54. Class 4 में कितने? 54. So 54 means 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 54. 54. So how many students are left here? 4 students left. Okay. Means here 5 groups you will you will make 5 groups. Okay. Now next, class 5, 26. 26 means 10, 20. Okay. 26. Okay. So 6. How many students are left? 6. So in class group, we have made 5 groups and 3 students are left. Class 2, 4 groups, 2 students are left. Class 3, 3 groups, 5 students are left. Class 4, 5 groups, 4 students are left. Class 5, 2 groups, 6 students are left. Okay. So how many students are left in all? अब हमें इनको टोटल बताना है कि सब में कितने लेफ्ट हैं. So what we will do? We will plus. आपको 7 कार्ड्स लेने हैं. Here you can see 55. तो 55 में 10 के 5 कार्ड्स एंड 1 के भी 5. Okay, here you write 10, 10, 10, 10. ये देखिए दोनों में 5 5 लिखा है तो हमने 10 के भी 5 लिए हैं और 1 के भी 5 लिए हैं. 1 1 1 1 1. 63. तो 60 है तो 10 के हम कितने कार्ड लेंगे? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. एंड 3 के कितने कार्ड? 63. एंड 1 कार्ड how many time? How many 1 card we will take? 3 because it is written 3. 1 1 1. 10 10 10 10 10 10. 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 10 60, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay. Then 72, 10 card you will take 7 and 1 card you will take 2. 10 प्लेस पे 7 लिखा है तो 7 होंगे 10 के कार्ड और 1 के कार्ड कितने होंगे? 2. Here 80 is written, so you will write 8 cards of 10 because ones के प्लेस पे तो 0 लिखा है ना, तो आप 10 के ही 8 कार्ड लेंगे. Now the king gave him gold coin. Now these are not 80 coins. Now after this king has given him gold coins. The king gave him 80 coins. Now king has given him 80 coins. These are not 80 coins. Now he said it is not 80 coin. ये 80 coins नहीं है. Now how he has counted? Can you guess what happened next? आप सोच सकते हैं next क्या हुआ होगा? In this way he has counted. He has group in tens. उसने tens के group बना दिए. Okay. 10 plus 10 20, then 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70 and rest of the coins are here. So now act out the story in class. Here you can 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 means 6 in my mind, 4 in my finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10 plus 5, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 2, 15 plus 2, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 3, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many students are left? 20 students are left. So here answer will be 20. How many more teams can be made with all the left students? अब ये जो बचे हुए स्टूडेंट्स है इनकी कितनी टीम्स बन सकते हैं? Now 20 are there in one group. In one group we are taking 10 students. So here we can make two teams. Two teams of 10 groups. ठीक है? Because 10 plus 10 is 20. So यहाँ पे हम दो teams बना सकते हैं 10 की. So this is the practice time. You can play this at your home also. Teams of 10 in your school or your friends, whosoever is there, or you can take your family members help also. Find out the numbers of children in each class of your school. Make team of 10 for each class. How many children are left in each class? So this is the chapter we have done today, chapter number 8, tens and ones. I hope you have understood this chapter.